How to fix Windows Update error 0x80070652. To fix Windows Update error 0x80070652, try 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 2. Run System File Checker. 3. Update device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Reset the software distribution folder. Run these commands as admin: netstop wowserv netstop crypt svc netstop bits netstop misiserver renc /windows /soft twa redistribution software distribution.old renc /windows /system 32 /cachroot 2 cachroot 2.old netstart wowserv netstart crypt svc netstart bits netstart misiserver 5. Install the update by accessing Microsoft Download Center at https://www.microsoft.com/n-a/download/default.aspx.